Now, dear students, chapter number 2, unit and measurement. Today we are discussing indirect method to measure small distances, and one of the method is called that is Avogadro method. Uh, Up to what limit distance they can measure the distance? So, limit of this Avogadro method, that is 10 to power minus 10 meter, and generally we are denoting this one limit distance by the nomination that is called the angstrom, and generally it is a atomic size. So up to that distance it can measure the meaning of the small distance. We are using the concept of the Avogadro hypothesis. So generally Avogadro says that we are just imagining a substance. So the atoms having the spherical size, so whenever they are just occupying the space inside the atom, so little bit space will be left. So I am showing the one of the pictorial diagram in front of you, so you can easily see this little bit space is left inside the substance. So this is the substance, and these are the atoms we have. So generally it says that volume of all atoms in substance is equal to 2 by third of volume of substance. So it is a general hypothesis, so we will use this one hypothesis to measure the radius of the atom. So we are just imagining, let m the molecular mass of substance, n Avogadro number so we are saying that m gram substance contains n atoms. Then number of atoms in 1 gram, these are the n by m. Radius of atom is r. Volume of atom, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of n by n atoms in substance, that will be 4 by 3 pi r cube n by m in 1 gram. So this is the general, that mean basic equation we have used. So I am just imagining the equation number, this one, that is first. Now this is the equation number second we have. Now we will discuss the now we will use the volume of the substance of mass m gram. So density will be rho volume of substance V. So we are using the general formula rho is equal to m gram is to be divided by volume, that is V. So we are using the concept of the 1 gram, so 1 gram is to be divided by V. So this is the equation number 3. Now use equation number 2 and 3 in equation number 1. So what we are getting, 4 by 3 pi r cube n by capital M, that is called the molecular mass, that is equal to the 2 by 3rd of the 1 upon V. Okay, so actually what we have to be calculate, we have to be calculate the r cube. So we are just separating the r cube and solving the sum of the fractions. So we are getting the r cube is equal to m upon 2 pi and rho. So this is the general formula we have, and now we are just using the simple mathematics. R can be stated in the term of that m upon 2 pi and rho raised to 1 by 3. So whenever we are just getting the radius of the atom, so it comes in the range of 10 to power minus 10 meter order. So it is a general indirect method to measure the small distances up to 10 to power minus 10 meter, that is called the Avogadro method. So students, we have the second method to measure the size of the oleic acid molecule. Now the size of the oleic acid molecule is the 10 to power minus 9 meter lump sum. So how we are using? So we are just using the general method. We are taking the 1 centimeter cube of oleic acid and 20 centimeter cube of alcohol, and we are just merging them. So we know that whenever we are just getting the solution, so how much concentration of oleic acid in alcohol. So easily we know that it's a 1 by 20 part. Now further we are using the 1 centimeter cube of this solution, that is oleic acid solution, and further we are merging it with the 20 centimeter cube of alcohol portion. And further we are just finding the 1 centimeter cube of the solution, and we are just getting that how much concentration we have of the oleic acid in the alcohol. So we know we are just getting that concentration of the oleic acid in the alcohol, that is 1 by 20 into 1 by 20. Okay, so this is the new concentration of the oleic acid in the alcohol. Now what we have to do, we are just taking the end drops of this solution, and drops of this solution, where volume of each drop is V. Volume of all drops N into V with the concentration 1 upon 20 into 1 upon 20 centimeter cube. So it's a general equation we have. Now what we are doing, taking N drops of this solution and spreading on water, where circular page film develop on water surface. So we can easily get the volume of film. Oleic acid film, that is equal to area into thickness. So that's the equation number 2 here. Now 1 can be equal to the 2. So easily we can go for with the assessment of the thickness of the, that means film. That makes the thickness of the size of the oleic acid molecule. So NV is to be divided by 20 into 20, that is centimeter cube, that is equal to the area into thickness. And what we have to, so we have to be calculated the T. So we are just separating NV centimeter cube is to be divided by 20 into 20, and the area will be in the part of the centimeter square. So centimeter square to 1 unit cancel. So the thickness will be available in the part of the NV centimeter with the concentration part of the alcoholic acid in the alcohol. So this is the formula to get thickness or size of oleic acid molecule by concentration method. Now dear students, please like and subscribe the channel so you will get automatic notification of the particular topics in the coming days. Okay, thank you everyone.